Hi guys, welcome to CodeEazier. In the previous video, we discussed whether a given number is prime number or not. Here we are discussing to print the prime numbers in between a range. For example, if in the question they clearly mentioned the lower limit was 3 and the upper limit was 9, then we need to print the prime numbers in between the range, which is nothing but we need to print the prime numbers in between we need to print the prime numbers in between the numbers 3 and 9. So 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So we need to do this task. Okay, I think you understood. Yeah, if you don't know what is a prime number and how can we find whether a given number is prime number or not, please check my video. I also make it whether to find out a given number is prime number or not. If you watch that video, means this video will become easier to you and in an understanded way. Okay, this is the function I already explained in the previous video. If you doesn't watch the video, means I will mention it in description. Please watch that video. Okay, this is the method to check whether the given number is prime number or not. And here this is the public method. Here I am taking lower limit as 3 and the upper limit as 9. Here I am using a for loop to iterate from 3 to 9, still 9. In the first iteration, I will become 3. And here we are checking is 3 is a prime number. Control will goes here and will check is 3 is a prime number. Yes, 3 is a prime number. So 3 will be prime number, so true will be returned. So 3 will be printed, and the next I will become 4, and 4 will be checked whether the 4 is prime number or not. No, 4 is not a prime number, so false will be returned. So if statement was not executed. Then the next iteration I will become 5. Is 5 is a prime number? Yes, 5 is a prime number, so 5 will be printed. Then I will be incremented to 6, and is prime function checks is 6 is a prime number. Yes, 6 is a 6, sorry, checks is 6 is a prime number. No, 6 is not a prime number. Then control will go to for loop and we increment I to 7 and checks whether this 7 is a prime number. Yes, 7 is a prime number, and print the prime number 7, and I will be incremented to 8, and is prime function again checks is 8 is a prime number. No, 8 is not a prime number, so false will be returned. Then if condition was not executed, then again control will goes to for loop. Then I will become 9, and again we are checking is 9 is prime number or not. Yes, no, here 9 is also not a prime number, so 9 also does not printed. So the prime numbers here are printed are 3, 5, 7. This is the simple code I explained in previous video. Here we are implementing the new code, this only. I think you understand this code. It is nothing but we are iterating the loop from 3 to till 9. That's all. We are checking the values in between 3 and 9 whether these values are prime number or not. These values are prime number or not. Okay, let us dive into the solution, or let us dive into the implementation. Here I mentioned the code in detail, what I mentioned in the word. So I am compiling the code. javac space file name, which is nothing but prime range dot java. Okay, successfully compiled. Then we need to run the class file java space class name is range. Yes, 357. Yes, we successfully got the prime numbers. I think you understand my video. Thank you guys, thank you for being watching my video. If you liked my video means please like my video and do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, have a nice day.